Yeah, can anyone tell me what has happened in the last class? I'm audible here. Is it audible? Yeah, I'm audible for you.
Yes, sir.
Is it audible here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can anyone summarize what has happened in the last class? What we did in last class? We started decoder, right? Yeah, I'm not getting response. You just tell me I'm clear or not. My voice is breaking. Is it fine? Yeah, Rajesh, is it audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in the last class we started
Sir,
decoder, right?
bit chemistry, sir.
So decoder, we told decoder encoder difference is what, and then we went through with different types of decoder. So I told n inputs, 2 power n outputs. So if you have n equals to 2, so 2 is to 4 decoder. So I think this is what we did in the last class. Along with that, we did 3 is to 8 also. Then we discussed about decoder 74138 and 74139. So any doubts anyone till there? Shall I proceed? Shall I proceed?
Sir, can you repeat, sir?
Which one, ma?
Sir, dual decoder, sir.
Dual decoder you want? Okay. I will just write the IC here. So everyone got 74138. So I will erase this. This is 2 is to 4 decoder. So we'll continue with what we left out. Okay, if my voice is breaking, you can intimate me. So 74138 is okay? Yeah?
Sir.
Is it okay? Yeah? My voice is low or I am not getting response. I'm not getting. What is this?
Sir, screen is not visible, sir.
One set. Checkout board is not visible.
It's visible, sir.
Okay. Yeah, just one set. I'll just check out the sound. Okay. Yeah. Fine. So your friend. So is it visible clearly now? Screen.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in the last class we discussed about ICs 74138. So similarly, 74139 also. I think in the lab they are discussing about IC numbers for you. Introduction class. Is it done? Your logic gates IC numbers has been discussed by your
Yes,
lab
sir.
admin faculties. Is it done or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So you can find this type of things there. So what you're learning in theory, same thing you're going to implement in laboratory also. So we discuss about 74139. Let me revise once more. So I told 74139 is a 2 is to 4. So in this you have 2 is to 4 decoder. Okay. So how to write the 2 is to 4 decoder IC I told. So just make an IC. So in this IC only, if I say 2 is to 4 decoder, how many inputs you should have? How many inputs?
2 inputs.
2 along with 1 enable pin. Correct now? So I think enable we have did like this. G1, A, B. And how many outputs? How many outputs you will be having? You are having 4 outputs, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4. So this you can call it as y1, 1 y2, 1 y3, 1 y4. Or you can start from y0, y1, y2, y3 also. Not a problem. Is it correct? So what was done here? So there was a complement. So out of 74139, 2:4 decoder, you have 2 I told, right? So this is one category. Similarly, you're getting one more here. So 2G, 2A and 2B. And corresponding outputs 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can represent 2y1, 2y2, 2y3, 2y4. Is it what I showed in the last class? Everyone? Am I clear here? Yeah, is it audible? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So I told how to write the pin diagram, how to remember the pin diagram also. So can anyone tell me how I told? I told start with this 1, 2, 3, then 4, 5, 6, 7. Correct? Huh? Then where is 8? 8 is no connection,
8
right?
is not. Yes, sir.
So 8 is no connection, left out is 9. So how we wrote? This should be reverse way. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. See, 1, 2, 3, then again continuous 4, 5, 6, 7. Then from here 9, 10, 11. Okay, so pin number 18 has no connection. So wherever you find this in the kit, don't do any connections for pin number 8. So this is what we discussed for 74139. Am I clear? Am I clear?
Yes,
So
sir.
this is dual. You can see this above part is 1, 2:4 and below part is 1, 2:4. Am I clear here? Is it fine now? Someone asked doubt, right? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now we'll go with the next topic. So just make a note. So they may ask you to design 5:32 decoder. So they may ask you to design 5:32 decoder using 4:3:8 decoder and 1:2:4 decoder. Okay. So it's important for 6 to 8 marks. Just make a note of the question, everyone. Note on the question here. Design 5:32. If I say 5:32, you need to write like this. 5:32. Is it fine? Is it visible what I wrote? So you need to design this. So design. Put on the question first. Design 5:32 decoder using 1:2:4 decoder, using 1:2:4 decoder and 4:3:8 decoder IC. 4:3:8 decoder IC. Written the question, everyone? Is it done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now tell me what is the meaning of 5:32 decoder? How many inputs, how many outputs?
5 inputs and 32
5
outputs.
inputs, 32
5
output.
input and 32 output you
output.
should have. Okay, so here itself you can see here, right? So this is your input and this is your output, right? And what is the hint they have given? How many 2:4 you should use?
1.
So 2:4 decoder you should use 1 and 3:8 decoder how much?
4.
4. Correct? Huh? Is it fine? Just check out here only. So 1:3:8 decoder consisting of how many outputs here?
8.
8. So 8 fours are 32.
30.
So 32 outputs will be agreed. Correct? Similarly inputs. So 4 inputs. So you want 5 input, right? How will you get 5 input? 3 inputs from your 3:8 and 2 inputs from your 1:2. I mean 1 decoder of 2:4. So 2 plus 3 combination 5 input. and what will happen for this output. That is what the scenario now. Everyone got the question first of all? Have you got the question?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now listen carefully. See, whenever you see anything like this 5:32 decoder, so they are given hint for you, and we got an idea that 32 output should be there. It means what? Your 3:8 decoder should be towards the output side. Correct? Am I clear? Since you have 32 output, so you need to have an idea that where exactly your 3:8 decoder should be. Right? That is what implementation does. So you need to mark 4. So leave sufficient space and mark 4 3:8 decoder. Is it visible what I'm writing? Is it visible here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what I wrote 4 3:8 decoder. So this is your first, similarly second, third, and fourth. See, I am not doing any connection still. I am just making the alignment. See, once you place all the ICs in one spot, then connections will be easy for you. So is it done till here? Everyone? Am I clear till here, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we know that each 3:8 has having how many inputs? Normal inputs are ABC, that is your 3 input. Along with that, how many enable pins you will be having? So which IC they are given? Do you remember the IC number? What was the thing they are given? They are given using IC. So 3:8 decoder. So if it is 3:8 decoder, you need to use which IC? 74?
318.
Yeah, we did two ICs, 74138 and 74139. Which one we will use now? 74?
74138.
Good. So this is your 74138. In the bracket, I will write 1. Similarly, here 74138 74138 and last 74138 So totally you have 4. Now we add 3 inputs, right? So let me connect a common input now. Just look at first, then you can write. So I have given common input ABC. So along with this ABC, how many enable pins you will be having in case of this IC? Yeah. If you remember the pin diagram or IC what I showed, there was something called enable pins. Do you remember everyone?
Yes, sir.
We wrote something called as G1, G2A and G3, G2B. So this was a thing we had. Agree? And we had a complement for my G2A and G2B. Is it what 1 3:8 decoder input look like? ABC followed by your enable pins G1, G2A, G3B. Correct? So what was the output? How many outputs you had? 8 outputs. So all should be having a bubble, means complement. So you should designate 8 thing here. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'll just represent one. Remaining thing you can write by your own, not a problem. Am I clear? So what are the outputs? Start from Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3, Y4, Y5, Y6, Y7. So any doubts anyone still? See, just now we discussed how to do the alignment. Still connection part we are not talked only. So any doubts anyone till here? Any doubts anyone till here?
No, sir.
Okay, good. So now how I wrote, same thing repeats here also, right? See, no need to write again ABC for all. Since ABC is common, I can do connections for all the 4 ICs in one shot. So don't write ABC. That is the first thing. And second thing, these 3 are common, right? So that you can write G1, G2A, G2B. Okay. So just connect a complement like this. Same way you can repeat for this two also. G1, G2A, G2B. So bubble it. So same way you can connect here also. So G1, G2A, G2B. So now be alert. Since the outputs are 32, after Y7 you are not supposed to give again 0, 1, 2, 3. It should be continuation. From Y0 I should have till Y31. So what is the outputs now? So again same thing you should mark and designate with Y8, Y9, Y10, so on till Y32, Y31. Am I clear? Everyone, am I clear till here?
Yes, sir.
So now we just did alignment according to question. We want 4, 3 is to 8. Now what else they told? You need to make use of 1, 2 is to 4 IC also. So it means that it should come towards the input level. So let me mark somewhere here, right? And it says which IC now? What is the IC number?
139.
74, 139.
139. Because this for your 2 is to 4 decoder. So always remember 3 is to 8 decoder which IC number, and 2 is to 4 which IC number. So if you make mistake here, you're going to lose marks in the exam. Okay. So from this, how many inputs, how many outputs you have? 2 is to 4 decoder, how many inputs?
3 inputs.
3 inputs along with enable pin. So we'll take enable pin here. Then you'll be having 2 inputs. See, since I already marked ABC, again don't mark ABC. So you should have 5 inputs, means ABC is done. Next you can give it as D and E.
Yeah.
So am I clear with this, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now what are the outputs of this? Again bubble will come. And this was 1 Y0, 1 Y1, 1 Y2, 1 Y3. Correct now? So why you have represented 1 there? Why you have represented 1 there? See, this 74139 has dual 2 is to 4, out of which I am considering 1. That's why I have given 1 Y0, 1 Y1, Y1, Y2, Y3. Any doubts? Anyone still here? Any doubts? Anyone still here?
No, sir.
So alignment part understood now. So whenever the question was 3 is to 32, just do the alignment like this. So any doubts? Anyone till here? Shall I proceed? Shall I?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Now what is the thing you should do? I need to connect this ABC for all the things. Correct now? So just connect that ABC with a dot. A is here, B is here, C is here. So ABC is done, marked. Similarly, if you want, you can designate for your reference ABC, again ABC. Same way, from here also here A, B, C. Again A, B, C. So any doubts, anyone with this first connections what I made? I am just taken a common input ABC and I am joining to all the 3 straight decoder. Is it fine? Is it fine? Any doubts,
Yes,
anyone
sir.
till here? Shall I proceed? Shall I?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. So now look at this. ABC is done. Similarly, we should connect G1 of this to this, this to this, this to this. Correct? Similarly, G2 and similarly, what is left out? Okay. So always remember, listen carefully. G1, 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 G1. All are common. So just connect that all G1s. So I'll just mark this with a blue color. Identification for you. G1 is done. Similarly, G2, G2, G2 is done. Okay. So after connection of G1, G2, now we left out with your G2B. Agree, everyone? So what you should do now? Listen carefully. Listen carefully. See, G1 and G2A. G1 and G2A are controlled by your enable pin. So just mark here. G1 and G2 are controlled by your enable 0, enable 1. So I hope you know what is the meaning of enable pin, right? Unless until enable pin is active, output won't come out. Correct, na? So what I told, G1, G2 are controlled by enable pin. Enable pin. Now what is left out? G2B, 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 G2B of all. Then look at here, output from this 2:4 decoder. So what should be done now? So from this Y0, I need to connect to this. Similarly, from this Y1 connect to this, then Y2 to this, and last Y3 to this. That's all connections what we have. Am I clear what I told everyone? Shall I repeat? You want me to repeat or is it fine?
Sir, repeat that last one.
Yeah. See what I told, after connecting ABC for all the decoder of 3:8, okay, left out was G1, G2 and G2B. So I told G1 and G2A. G1 and G2A of each 3:8 decoder are controlled by 2 enable pin. Because we know the logic, right? If it is 2:4 decoder, 1 enable pin is enough to control. If it is 3:8, we know there should be 2 enable pin. That 2 enable pin are connected to your G1, G2A, and that is a common connection for all the 4 3:8 decoder. Now, what is left out in the connection? In each 3:8 decoder, there is G2B, 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 G2B. And similarly, the output of 2:4. See, this output should be connected to your 3:8 decoder, right? So that connections is what I told you. Connect the first output of your 2:4 decoder to the first 3:8 decoder 2B. Similarly, Y1 to this, Y2 to this, Y3 to this. That's it. That will connection will help you to get a 5:34 decoder. Am I correct? Is it fine now? Everyone understood? Doubts? Yeah, anybody doubts here? Yeah, I'm asking you only, is it fine? Any doubts here, anyone? How to do the implementation of this? Any doubts with the connection part, what I told? Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, just make a note of this. So we'll go for the next topic then. So just make a note. 5:32 decoder implementation. So it's 6 to 8 marks. So just ICs, remember you should have, that's all. Remaining connections. So just make a note. So just write on rough sketch. Later you can write neatly. So write the 474138 IC and give the designation ABC along with G1, G2A, G3B, and this you should complete. After Y8, Y9, Y10, same thing. So till Y31. So this much 32 outputs followed by ABCDE, 5 inputs. So this is how you need to implement 5:32 decoder. Just make a note. Once it's done, just tell me, we'll go for next topic. So is it visible? What is written? See here, I wrote on roughly sketch here. So I hope you got how to do connections, everyone. Sudeep, any doubt, man? 124 USN.
No, sir.
Is it visible here, board?
Visible, sir.
Yeah, I just made everything connection here. I hope you got. If you want, I will tell once more. ABC common to all. Then followed by G1, G2, A is common to all. That is controlled by enable 0 and 1. Okay. So what is left out was output of your 2:4 decoder. So this is acting as an input for your G2B, 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 and remaining outputs. That's all. Nothing else connection. So just make a rough sketch. So this is what the implementation of 5:32 decoder using 74139 and 74138 IC. Just make a rough sketch here. Is it done? Everyone done? Rough sketch? Shall I erase? Shall we proceed for next topic? And I hope you got the dates for your first internals, everyone. I think it's next week, right? Next Monday. Not coming next Monday, 12, 13, 14. So syllabus, first module is complete. So complete first module will be there. Along with that, second module, we will tell you maybe decoder till the implementation part, what I'm going to do now. After this, decoder, then IC implementation, then 5:32. Then you have one more topic that we will discuss now. Till there will be a syllabus for your first internal. So start preparing. Any doubts, anyone still here? Shall I erase? Have you made a note here, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we'll go for the next topic then. So I'm erasing this. Just make a rough sketch. So now in this decoder only you have different application type of questions. They will ask you to implement for SOP and POS form. See, SOP POS form is continuous for the complete 5 models along with the K-map logic. So same K-map POS SOP form will comes in laboratory also. So be aware with this first model clearly, everyone. Okay, go for next heading. Go for next heading, everyone. So write the heading name as realization of multiple output function. Realization of multiple output function using binary decoder. Using binary decoder. I'll repeat. Realization of multiple output function using binary decoder. Heading Barkondra. Is it done? Everyone?
Yes, sir. Sir, realization of
Yeah?
once more, sir. Question.
You want me to repeat?
Yes, sir.
Realization of multiple output function using binary decoder. Binary decoder. Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now listen. See, in this heading you will be having 2 subtopics called as active high. I'll repeat. Active high and similarly active low. Active high representation and active low representation for your SOP and POS form. For your SOP and POS form. Okay. So we'll just summarize what is this. So active high and active low. So we'll be having 2 separate categories. Okay. So what all things you're going to learn in this? I'll just summarize here. Yeah. So in this, you'll be learning about SOP. Similarly, here also SOP. So you will compare from both active low and active high, so that it will be helpful for you to remember the things. Okay, listen carefully. Listen carefully. So what I have written, is it visible here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Now listen. See, whenever they ask the question, implement the active low logic using IC 3:8 IC or using 3:8 decoder, then what is the thing you need to remember? Okay, so listen carefully. So SOP form means how the representation will be. SOP form, how the representation? How will you represent SOP form?
Logical one.
Logical one. And
A into
what
B
is
into
the
C.
symbol representation? Small m,
Small m.
and there will be a summation. Correct? So assume that function with summation small m is given as some number. So they will give number for you like this. They will give like this, and they will ask you to implement using understand. They will ask two types of questions. Okay, so implement the following function using 3:8 decoder. If it is 3:8 decoder, how you should write? Similarly, if it is active low 3:8 decoder, how you should write? So this is the two comparisons. You should be very careful. Okay, so listen carefully. Whenever the tells using decoder, so it is understood you should write IC. So IC of 3:8 decoder. So just now we wrote, right? So just now we wrote 3:8 decoder IC. So you'll be having A, B, C as an input, A, B, C, and you'll be having your G0, G1, G2, G3. Okay. So in general, all the enable pins will be grounded. In general, whenever you do implementation of SOP and POS, your enable pins will be grounded. So G1, G2, G3, whatever it is. So generally, I will put enable pin here, and this will be grounded. So this is a common thing you should remember. Okay. Then how many outputs you will be having? You will be having Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3, Y4, Y5, Y6 and Y7. So this is what your 3:8 decoder. Now listen carefully. Everyone, listen carefully. If they ask you to implement an active I, the question will be implement the following using active I 3:8 decoder or only 3:8 decoder. Active high or only 3:8 decoder, then your pin diagram or IC diagram should be like this. IC diagram should be like this. Okay. Similarly, if they ask using 3:8 active low logic, 3:8 decoder you should implement using active low, then there should be complement in your outputs. I'll repeat, listen carefully. If it is active I in the question, IC diagram of 3:8, out 8 puts are 8 only. You're not supposed to put bubble in this output column for active high or a normal 3:8 decoder question. Okay. If it is active low concept or implement using 74138 3:8 decoder, such kind of questions you need to put a bubble here. You need to put a bubble here. Am I clear? So just I'll represent that also here. So what things I told? So what I told for active high, same way active low, A, B, C. So just understand this. So if you make a mess, you're going to lose 6 to 7 marks here. So enable pin common ground. So this is using your 74138 IC or active low logic. So this is also 3:8 decoder, and output what you should do? You need to bubble it. Means you need to take complement Y1, Y2, Y3, Y4, Y5, Y6 and Y7. Am I clear with this first step to everyone? Am I? Everyone, am I clear with this first step?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now listen. Now listen. After understanding the simple things of active high is what, active low is what question, now we'll go how the implementation part comes to picture. Listen. So if they ask you to get you a implementation of SOP for this function, for active high logic, always remember where is one? One is here, 2 is here, 5 is here, 7 is here. So just take that gates 1, 2, 5 and 7. So connect this to your OR gate. I'll repeat, connect this to your OR gate. So this is your output. If it is active high, in that I am discussing only SOP. So that's why I made a clear picture, only SOP with respect to active high and active low. Same way we'll teach you for POS also. So what I told, if it is active high SOP form, you need to implement it by whatever the question they are given to your OR gate. Am I clear with this first point, everyone? Am I?
Yes, sir.
So any doubts anyone till here? Shall I proceed? Shall I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what we do, active high means I need to connect that SOP if it is form means OR gate. So this will be your function. Okay. Similarly, you consider for active low, assume that the question was given, it may be same or anything. That is not an issue. We need to know which combination we should connect. That's all. So assume that your SOP is given as 2468 for your active low logic or using 74138 IC. If you find such kind of thing, you need to connect this to your what? NOR gate. I'll repeat, here what you did, that should be complemented. So here it was OR gate, and I hope everyone, not NOR gate, sorry, it is NAND gate. Okay, I'll repeat, 2, 4, 6 and 7. If it is SOP active low, you need to connect to your NAND gate logic. So there should be a NAND gate, and this is your final output as a function. So am I done with this, everyone? Am I got the difference between these two? Is it fine? So active high SOP implementation for your OR gate. Similarly, active low logic or 3:8 decoder IC 74138, I need to implement using my NAND gate. Am I clear till here, everyone? Am I? So just make a note of this too. So make heading for your reference. It will be easy for you to remember if it is like difference between, right? So take the heading as active high in one column, active low in one more column. In that, take first heading only SOP. I talk only about SOP. If the question is like this, then IC diagram you need to implement and make sure output they should not be complement, because we know in general 3:8 IC. There are two IC, normal IC and 74138 IC. If it is 74138, that comes for active low logic. If it is normal, that is your active high. So just make a note OR and NAND. Am I fine with this? Everyone? Just make a note. We'll go with next. Same logic with respect to POS. POS form. Barkondra. So just have a mindset. SOP active high, what should have? SOP active low, what should have be there for implementation? Shall I erase? Shall I move for next one now? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, same concept. Let me repeat. Diagram I won't erase. Only this part, elimination of this I will do it. Okay, so here instead of SOP, this is POS now. So here also there is. Okay, so this is for active low. And what is the representation for your POS form?
Pi m.
Good. So there should be pi with capital M. So assume that it was given like this: 0, 3, 5, and 6. Okay. So similarly, active low, POS, pi, capital M, 1, 2, 4, 7. So if we find such kind of things with respect to POS form, so listen, if it is active high POS form, you need to connect and implement using NOR gate. Okay. So what are the combinations now? 0, 3, 5, and 6. So this combination should be implemented using your NOR gate logic. Is it fine? Is it fine, everyone? Similarly, if it is active low POS form, you should go with AND gate. So combinations are 1, 2, 4, and 7. So this should be given to AND gate. So this is the difference between your SOP and POS implementation using your 3:8 decoder. Am I clear to everyone? Am I clear? So this is your NOR gate. So if it is not clear, you just make a note. So connect it neatly to your NOR gate. Okay, na? So just make a note. Active high POS form implementation based on your NOR gate, and similarly active low POS form is based on your AND gate. So I hope everyone done till here. Any doubts? See, based on this, now we will be having problems. So now I will going to give the problems and I will tell you how to solve one problem. Remaining you should do. Is it fine here? Everyone, is it fine? Shall I proceed with the problem now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you got the idea now. So you got which gate you should implement whenever they ask this type of question. So write a question now. So straight away move to problem now. Implement the following. Implement the following multiple output function. Read the question carefully, okay? Multiple output function using 74138. Using 74138. Using 74138 and external gates using 74138 as well as external gates. Okay. The functions are given like this. What are the question? F1 of ABC. So function of ABC is given with summation m equals 1 4 1 4 5 7. Okay, so this is your function 1. Similarly, function 2, F2 ABC with your max term. Nothing but POS form is given with 2, 3, 6, 7. So first write the question, everyone, then tell me how to solve. So this is the thing they have asked. It's 6-mark question. So implement the following multiple output function using 74138 and external gates with the function f1 and f2. Okay. Now tell me this problem, is it active high or active low?
Active low.
Correct? Huh? See, I told you clearly whether they mention active low or it can be like IC number 74138. So whenever you find such kind of things in the question, so make sure you need to implement using active low concept. Is it fine, everyone? Now listen, don't do a separate things. Two to separate IC implementation not required. In one IC of 74138 only, you need to satisfy both function 1 and function 2. So how to do? We'll proceed, listen carefully first one. So same thing, diagram you write. So inputs A, B, C. So designate A, B, C. Okay. Then what I told, whenever you find IC number, so you should write here 74138. So you know that there is G2A and G2B. Correct now? Or you can write enable pin. All are fine only because what you should do now? What you should do? You need to connect this to ground. Connect this to ground, right? Is it fine, everyone? You can connect all these three to ground. Then how many outputs you have? So you want outputs with bubbled or not bubbled?
Bubbled.
Bubbled, good. So there should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So just mark the things like this. So you can designate why not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So what I told, you need to implement both things in one IC only enough. So we will implement first with respect to SOP. So now tell me connections are between 1, 4,
1, 4,
5
5, 7.
and 7. So which gate I want to connect now?
NAND gate.
NAND gate. Understood now? So this is what the thing you should remember. So this is your function 1. Good. So similarly function 2, that is your POS form, pin number 2, pin number 3, pin number 6 and pin number 7. So this should be given to which gate now?
NAND gate.
AND gate. So I hope everyone got the procedure now how to solve. Am I clear with this step? Everyone? So this is your AND gate and mentioned as function 2. Artha aitappa? Any doubts, anyone? Any doubts, anyone? Am I clear till here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now listen. Now listen. Just think. Just think. Practically, I am giving 3 inputs. I am getting F1, F2. When I can get F1, F2? When enable pins are high, but here all are grounded. See, this is a mistake you will commit. When you make all 3 enable pin as ground, there is no function of F1, F2 itself. Okay. So always remember, don't connect all 3 to your 0 or ground. You make one enable as high. So that is your supply. I can give some 5 volt supply. So this is the only change you should remember. I hope what I told is it fine to everyone. If you make all 3 enable pin as ground, then there is no output. F1, F2 you can't implement. So make one enable pin as active high, because if this is high only, this inputs will fed here and I can get my output. So make sure out of 3 enable pin, 1 is active, 2 are grounded. Am I clear? Am I clear? Is it fine
Yes.
here? See, this 5 volt means you are going to use this in kit, right? So you need to supply 5 volt. That's all, nothing else. So this IC maximum capacity of 74138 is 5 volt, a DC supply. So if you give 230 volt directly, you will get powder of that IC. Okay. Is it fine, everyone, till here? You got the logic? Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now your task is, so after understanding this, I hope everyone remember we did something called subtractor and full adder. Do you remember? We did something called full subtractor and full adder. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now your question is, read on. Implement full adder and full subtractor. Implement same. So it's separate question actually. So I'm clubbing both so that you can practice. Okay. Implement full adder and full subtractor using decoder, active low and active high logic. Using decoder, active low and active high logic. Also draw its truth table. Also draw its truth table. Have you got the question? Everyone? Have you got the question? Yes or no? You need to implement full adder and full subtractor using decoder, active low and active high. It means in one question I have asked both things. Okay. And also truth table means to build a full adder, I need to have a truth table, right? See, how will you connect this? For this, you should have this connections output, right? So this you can get from the truth table of full adder and full subtractor. Will you solve this? Will you? Everyone? So what you should do? You take the first question as full adder, build a truth table for the full adder. So from the truth table, I hope you know you have how many outputs full adder? How many outputs? Two outputs, sum and carry. So write sum and carry and implement that based on both active low also, active high also. If I say active high, don't mention these bubbles, connect the things. Instead of F1, F2 you will get sum and carry. Okay. Similarly, with bubble IC, here again you will get sum and carry. So it is for full adder. Similarly, for full subtractor, same logic. What is the change? How many outputs you have? How many outputs?
Two outputs.
Two outputs, and name it as difference and borrow. Difference and borrow, implement using both active high and active low. So it's a 10 marks question. If they give both together, 5 marks per each. So I hope everyone got what is the meaning of or implementation of SOP POS using decoder. Am I clear? Am I clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so try to implement that. If you didn't get, we'll try to solve that and we'll go for the next topic. Okay, so now you can take attendance and you can leave. If anybody has doubt, you can ask. 101 is there? 101 not there. 102? 3 not there. 4, 5, 6.
Present, sir.
Yeah, 5 and 6 given here. 7. Just enter yours and you can leave. 107 is not there, Ruchita. 8.
Present, sir.
9.
Present, sir.
10. Sahana. Okay, 11.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, given. Sakshi. 12.
Present, sir.
13.
Present, sir.
14.
Present, sir.
15.
Present, sir.
16.
Present, sir.
17.
Present, sir.
18.
Present, sir.
19.
Present, sir.
Sushti, you were absent last class?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 20,
Present, sir.
21,
Present, sir.
22,
Present, sir.
23,
Present, sir.
24,
Present, sir.
25,
Yes, sir.
26, 126 not there. Sumati. 128. Yeah, given. 127, 128, 29.
Present, sir.
Yeah, given.
Present, sir.
Yeah. 30, 31,
Sir.
32, 33, 34.
Present, sir.
Hey, Venkatachalam 134. ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಹೋಗಿದಪ್ಪ ಎಷ್ಟು ದಿನ?
133 present.
Yeah, Vaishnavi given here. 134. You are there? 136.
Present, sir.
7,
Present, sir.
9,
Present, sir.
40,
Present, sir.
41,
Present,
42, 43, Nak, Telecom, Ritvik,
Present, sir.
Ritvik, Telecom
Nag is
1,
present, sir.
yeah, given,
Sir, 103 present.
2,
103 present, sir.
4 and 5,
Present, sir.
yeah, Ritvik,
103 present, sir.
ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಹೋಗಿದೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ದಿನ ನಿನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ? You people call me later, along with you, Ritvik and 134 US number, Venkatachalam.
Sir,
ಸರ್ ಒನ್ ಡೌಟ್ ಸರ್
ಹೇಳಪ್ಪ.
ಸರ್ ಅದು ಇವಾಗ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ರಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಫುಲ್ ಆಡರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫುಲ್ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟರ್ದು
ಹಾ,
ಅದು ಟೂ ಸೆಪರೇಟ್ ಐಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್?
ಹೌದೌದು.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.
You should do it two separately.
ಎಸ್
Sir.
ಸರ್.
Whenever they give like this, what I just now solved, no, then only you can draw in one. Otherwise,
Yes.
separately. Okay.
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.
Present. Sir,
Yarpa?
103, 103.
103, 103. ರಕ್ಷಿತ್, ನೀನ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ದಿನ?
ಸರ್ ನಂದು ಇದು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ,
ಏನ್ ಬರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ?
ಲೈವ್ ಚಾಟ್ ಅಂತ ಬೇರೆ ಹೆಸರು ತೋರಿಸ್ತೈತೆ ಸರ್.
ಸರಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಈಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಹ್ಮ್.
You call me later. Okay.